Be careful with your words. Once they are said, they can only be forgiven, not forgotten. Pay attention to what people say out of anger. They have been dying to tell you that. Classy is when you have a lot to say, but you choose to remain silent in front of fools. Do not tell someone about your good side to make them stay. Tell them about your worst side and see who stays. Learn to sit back and observe. Not everything needs a reaction. Your biggest fan is a stranger, and your biggest hater is someone you know. A mistake that makes you humble is better than an achievement that makes you arrogant. Do not expect everyone to appreciate what you do for them. You have to figure out who is worth your kindness and who is taking advantage of you. You never know how strong you are, until being strong is the only choice you have. Sometimes you have to remind people that you can be an asshole too. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.